Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. In this lesson we'll be drawing Frog Luigi from Super Mario. So let's start in the center page. We're going to draw a large circle for the nose. Let's start at the very top, right in the middle. Start with the left side. We're going to go all the way around towards the bottom of the nose. Round this out and then pull that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap in the center. Go to the left side. We're going to draw the edge of the nose bridge. We're going to come in and then up. Go over towards the right and do the same thing. Now halfway along this curve, we're going to draw a straight line going across the eyelid toward the left and then line that up on the right. And then we want to tuck the eyes in behind the nose. Starting back on the left, curve this down like a half circle and then in towards the nose. Let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So from this point, we draw a small half circle coming down and then up. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now I'm going to trace the iris along the inside for the pupil, and I'll fill the pupils in black. Let's go to the side of the nose and draw on the mustache. We're going to start on the left. We're going to bend this out and then up. Line that up on the right. Now I'm going to curve this down and then in towards the center of the nose. So come down from the left, across, and then up towards the middle. And then do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add in the mouth. From the left, curve this down and then up. And then in the center, add a curve for the teeth. And then we'll fill the bottom of the mouth in black. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to add a short curve for the lower lip. Now let's go all the way back up to the top and draw in the eyebrows. We'll start on the left, curve this up, and then down toward the side. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. From the end, we're going to go up higher in the middle, and then back down towards a point. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now above the eyebrows, we're going to add a curve for the edge of the mask. We're going to start on the left. We're going to bend this up above the eyebrow, go across, and then down. Now I want to curve this down and then in towards the chin. So let's start back on the left. Go around the tip of the mustache. Now I'm going to pull that down and in towards the chin. Round up the chin, go up on the right, around the mustache, and then we'll close that off. Now with the face complete, let's draw the outside of the mask. We're going to start all the way up at the top right in the middle. Let's start with a point. Now I'm going to curve the left side going out, and it'll taper that in towards the chin. So start by going out, round up the head, and I'm going to taper this in. And we want to leave a gap just underneath the chin. Let's go back up to the top, curve the right side, going out, come all the way around the side. Then we're going to bend this down and then in. Let's go back up to the top. On either side, we're going to draw two small circles for the nostrils. Now in the center, we're going to draw in the eyes. So we're going to start with the left side with a half oval. We're going to go up, round up the eye, and then come down. Go back to the center, do the same thing on the right. Going up to the same height, across, and then down. Let's draw the outside edge of the eye. Starting from the very top, then it's out, and then down. And then we want to draw the pupils along the inside with two smaller ovals. We're going to start from the top left, come around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And then along the top of each pupil, add a small circle for a highlight. Let's fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the front arms coming down. So underneath this line, step down, draw a straight line coming down towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to point the thumbs coming in. So on the left, coming in towards the middle, and then bend that out. And then we want to touch the thumbs along the inside. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start back on the left, go out and then down, round up the finger, go up, and then bend that in. Now layer 2 more fingers on either side, starting from the tip, going around, bend that in. Let's do that one more time, going around, and then in towards the top. Now from the top finger, we're going to step over, draw the edge of the glove, going up and then down towards the thumb. Now we're going to go back up underneath the head. Let's round up the shoulder, going out and then down, in behind the cuff. Let's add that patch across the body, going up and then down. Now let's go back to the outside finger. We'll draw the bottom of the foot. Start with a straight line going out on either side. Now from the outside, we're going to go up and then bend that down. And then we're going to go back to the side of the arm. We're going to draw the leg going up, round up the leg, and then back in on top of the feet. So let's start on the left side, going up, around, and then down on top of the foot. And I'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to go up, and then in. Now going back to the wrist, we're going to draw a fold for the inside of the leg. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Frog Luigi from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.